Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to change Instagram username font. Open Instagram. As you can see, here's my username. I'm gonna change this font style. Click on edit profile, then open a new tab. Type here yeatext.com and copy the name and paste it here. Then you will see many different type of font styles. Suppose I'm gonna use this font style. Just click on copy and paste it here. We can see now my username font has been changed. This is how we can change Instagram username font. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.